Alright, so we're back with a new video, another POV, but we're cruising the strip. Oh, nah, to be honest, I don't even know where we're cruising. It's a bunch of supercars and we're just gonna follow and hope for the best. I got my homie up there in the S2000, Eki over there, so I'm not alone with all these fast cars. I don't know if I'm gonna keep up, but yeah. Oh, they're leaving. Yo, I have no idea what's going on. Is going on right now, to be honest. Like, we got a crap load of cars and I don't know what we're doing. Yo, we mobbing. Ow, dude, this road is bumpy. God. Oh, we mobbing. That thing is turbo. Finish my drink as well. Yo, why are we mobbing like this? Yo, GT3 in front of me, bro. Yo, what is going on here? I could go in the carpool. I got two people. Yo, where are we going? This is so unorganized. Yo, cars are scrambling. Oh my god. God. Oh my god. Well, I have no clue where Eki is, nor do I know where we're cruising to. Surrounded by too many cars. Did I lose him? Am I in the back of the pack? I think I'm in the back. So what is going on up there? Share my location right now, bro. Oh my god. I got no clue what's going on, bro. There's some stressful stuff here. Oh, we're just cruising? What is this cruise? Why are we all going 90 right now? This is not no cruise, bro. But where are we cruising to? I thought we were going to Spring Mountain Ranch. Stop doing pulls. My car's not fast enough for doing pulls. Ow! That was a big bump. That one hurt. Wow. Look at these views though. It looks incredible. chilling. Ooh. Scary.
Come on, Justin, rub it.
Man, man. Let's go. Sucks. Yo, this is crazy. Holy moly. Yo, where are we at? I got battery, right? Yeah, I still got just a bit of battery left. Wow, this is a nice drive. I hope the camera's still on.
Hey, there's a bump, there's a bump.
Where? Oh gosh. Oh no, not another. Ah.
This is sick.
Yeah, I don't ever recall coming here, so this is kind of new. Wow, look at this road. It's definitely like a grand touring road. Not like quick turns, but it's definitely like a very touring road. Like something for like a bigger, heavier, nicer car to kind of go through and cruise through. Stopped. Oh my gosh. Camera's still live, right? Yeah, we're kicking up rocks. Dude, this is gonna be a lineup, bro. I don't know if my car fits in, but F it, we ball. Nah, this is sick, dude. Yo, this is a nice overlook, though, I will say. I wonder if I have signal. I indeed do have signal. Perfect. Camera's still on? Yep, it is.
Behind a Porsche.
Sick, we parked up. Cameras barely just made it alive. We made it pretty far here. We made it, like the drive, this part of the drive, the second half was amazing, but I didn't get to film it, so yeah. But she's been doing good. She's ripping through these like canyon roads, kind of super sick. All the other cars are over there, and yeah, we're just gonna keep cruising, just taking a break right now though. To be honest, I don't know how far we are, but we sure got a ways. So we're gonna get going and make it back. It's 1:21. I wonder what time we'll get back. And yeah. I hella scraped my front lip. I need to go check that real quick. It's just a little low. Right there. Hi. Well, damn. I hella scraped it, but it'll be fine. On the way. This last part of the drive was like the best, so we'll see how it goes. And yeah, it's like super good, like fun. It's a little less for like Grand Touring. It's more like it has a little bit more curves, but isn't like as crazy. I'm pretty much just gonna be driving, not much talking, just enjoy it. Super fun, that's why.
right now?
Yeah.
I keep running out of gas, so we're sitting on the side of the road.
Homeboy's knocked out.
Some gas out of your car.
I'm
just joking.
I was gonna say, can we even do that? I wonder if that guy has gas. You think he has gas?
But he's premium.
It has to be premium.